silent and desolate jungle, where signs of life are almost non-existent. In this harsh environment, a powerful tiger roams cautiously, searching for its next prey.
In this barren, desolate jungle, the powerful tiger hides behind a withered tree, carefully observing its prey, each movement radiating alertness and strength. In this dry, barren area dotted with withered trees, the tiger searches for its prey. Carefully, it approaches the large piece of meat and demonstrates its natural feeding instincts. After completing its meal, the tiger rests on the barren land. For safety and study purposes, search personnel use a sedative spray from a helicopter, allowing the tiger to calm and lie still. In the dead of night, the powerful tiger, still sedated, is carefully lifted by trained personnel into a helicopter. The night flight ensures safe transport to the next location. In this open, barren area, the sedated tiger is safely transferred from the helicopter to a large American-style red truck. The rear dumper ensures secure transport for the next stage. The massive red steel truck carries the sedated tiger safely along the long road towards the city. This controlled transport ensures the tiger's safety while moving from remote areas to the next stage. The American-style red steel truck carries the sedated tiger safely into the enormous modern factory, equipped with solar panels and showcasing the next stage of controlled processing. Inside the vast factory, the American-style red steel truck delivers the sedated tiger. Using a crane, trained staff carefully lift him from the dumper. As he touches the floor, the tiger awakens, observing his new environment. Within the expansive VIP factory, the tiger walks freely under careful observation. Two personnel monitor his movements to ensure his safety while he explores his new environment. Yes, steady pace. The tiger approaches a large glass gate within the factory. The tiger steps in confidently, exploring this lifelike wilderness. Within the indoor jungle, the tiger approaches a gentle waterfall. He steps beneath the falling water, bathing and refreshing himself, demonstrating his natural behavior in this lifelike environment. In a quiet corner of the indoor jungle, the tiger rests in his den. Peaceful and undisturbed, he sleeps comfortably, fully at ease in his lifelike natural environment. In the controlled indoor jungle, a worker brings a tray of meat to the tiger. Calm yet alert, the tiger watches as the food is placed before him, ready to enjoy his meal in this safe and lifelike environment. In the heart of the indoor jungle, the tiger enjoys a meal placed before him. With careful bites and natural movements, he feeds on the meat, demonstrating his instinctive behavior in a lifelike and serene environment. After a hearty meal, the tiger rests peacefully on the forest floor. Bathed in moonlight, he blends into the serene nighttime jungle, exhibiting his natural calm and strength in this lifelike environment. Inside the factory control room, workers monitor the tiger's rest after his meal. On the screen, he lies calm in the moonlit jungle, demonstrating his natural behavior, while the staff ensures everything is observed carefully. With the first rays of sunlight, the tiger awakens from his rest. He moves gracefully to the waterfall, immersing himself in the fresh flowing water, embracing the calm morning in his natural jungle habitat. Having bathed in the morning waterfall, the tiger approaches the large glass gate. A worker safely opens the door with a button, allowing the majestic animal to proceed into the next controlled environment. Stepping through the glass gate, the tiger enters the factory's indoor jungle area. He walks calmly along the prepared paths, exhibiting his natural behavior while staff monitors discreetly. Inside the pristine VIP factory, the tiger walks carefully on the conveyor belt. The male staff monitor him discreetly, ensuring his safety while allowing natural behavior. The tiger enters the glass chamber, and the door closes behind it. Gentle water jets wash its fur, allowing a safe and thorough cleaning process inside the controlled environment. The tiger's mouth is carefully held open while high-pressure water jets clean each tooth thoroughly. Front teeth, molars, and canines are washed to ensure hygiene, all under controlled and safe conditions. The tiger's thick fur is carefully dried using hot air blowers. Handlers ensure the tiger remains safe and comfortable while its coat is fully dried, preparing it for further processing. The tiger is placed into a state-of-the-art scanning chamber. Red and blue lights sweep over its body, capturing a full digital scan to ensure every detail is recorded for the next stages of processing. Safety and calm are maintained at all times. In the control room, technicians monitor the scanning process in real time. Every movement of the tiger is observed on high-resolution screens, ensuring the scan is precise and complete. All systems are checked and adjusted as needed. Coat is flawless, perfect sheen. Claws retracted, pads are clean. Everything checks out, it's ready. Confirmed, proceeding to next stage. Skin is emerging smoothly, guided onto the belt. Conveyor is moving, ready for washing. Jets are on, cleaning thoroughly. Tiger skins are carefully stretched and dried using advanced machines, ensuring an even and thorough process, while workers monitor each stage to maintain top quality. Each pressed tiger fur is carefully scanned and inspected. Pattern is clear, no defects.
Supervisors approve its cleanliness and quality on multiple screens before it moves to the next stage.
Each tiger tooth, long or small, is carefully transported from the machine onto the water conveyor for further processing. After meticulous washing, each tiger tooth is inspected and approved for further processing.
Inspection complete. Approving this batch now.
The tiger teeth are transported into the grinding machine, where rotating rollers crush them into coarse pieces for further processing. The tiger teeth are transported into the grinding machine, where rotating rollers crush them into coarse pieces for further processing. The crushed tiger teeth pass over a mesh conveyor, sifting into fine powder. They then move to a second mesh conveyor for further separation, preparing them for high-quality processing. The finely powdered tiger teeth travel along the white conveyor belt, ensuring uniformity and readiness for the next stage of processing. Medium-sized glass jars glide along the conveyor belt, perfectly aligned and ready for the next phase of processing. Finely powdered tiger teeth are carefully filled into each glass jar, ensuring precision and uniformity in this VIP production stage. Each jar, filled with finely powdered tiger teeth, is securely capped by the precision machine, ensuring safety and consistency in this VIP production stage. Each jar, filled with finely powdered tiger teeth, is precisely labeled with protein powder and a tiger image, ensuring consistency and VIP production quality. Once sealed and labeled, each protein jar is carefully packed into cartons and stored in an organized manner to maintain quality and safety. Once sealed and labeled, each protein jar is carefully packed into cartons and stored in an organized manner to maintain quality and safety. Each pressed tiger skin is carefully sketched with creative jacket design ideas, preparing it for the next stage of production. Each pressed tiger skin is carefully cut into precise pieces by automated machines, ensuring consistency across all conveyor belts. Pressed tiger skins are carefully stitched into premium jackets by skilled workers, ensuring precision and quality in every piece.
Pressed tiger skins are carefully stitched into premium jackets by skilled workers, ensuring precision and quality in every piece.
After meticulous stitching, each tiger jacket is carefully inspected. Some are adorned with the signature tiger logo, while others remain plain, ready for different markets. Each tiger jacket is meticulously folded and packed into cotton cartons. The cartons are then stacked in the VIP storage area, ensuring the jackets remain pristine until distribution. Workers carefully stitch luxurious blankets made from rescued tiger skins. Each blanket is crafted to the highest standards, ready for premium bedding use. Workers carefully stitch luxurious blankets made from rescued tiger skins. Each blanket is crafted to the highest standards, ready for premium bedding use. Each blanket, crafted from rescued tiger skins, is tested for ultimate softness and comfort, ensuring a luxurious sleeping experience. After stitching, each tiger skin blanket is meticulously packed and stored, ensuring protection and readiness for shipment. After stitching, each tiger skin blanket is meticulously packed and stored, ensuring protection and readiness for shipment. Rescued tiger skins are transformed into soft, handcrafted teddy bears, ensuring each piece is carefully stitched and shaped. Each handcrafted tiger teddy bear is carefully packed into cotton boxes, ensuring safe storage and preservation of its soft fur, creating an organized system for the workshop's storage needs. From a bird's eye view, each tiger teddy bear is carefully packed and stored, maintaining order and ensuring safety for future delivery. All cotton boxes are transported safely into the production floor, ensuring organized placement and efficiency in the workflow. Workers efficiently load the truck at the factory gate, ensuring all protein powder boxes are safely placed inside the dumper. The truck is now fully loaded with jackets, blankets, and teddy bear products, ready to transport with the tire product logo proudly displayed. The truck departs the factory, carrying all the carefully packed jackets, blankets, and teddy bear products, heading towards its destination. Upon arrival, the products are carefully unloaded and arranged inside the market, ready for distribution and sale. Each product is carefully displayed in the market, from jackets to blankets and apparel, ensuring a visually organized and appealing layout for customers.
Customers explore the market, trying on tiger fur jackets and long coats, while children delight in the soft tiger fur teddy bears, creating an engaging shopping experience.
Shoppers select and purchase tiger fur blankets, paying at the counter and heading home, satisfied with their premium quality acquisitions.
Oh, thank you!
You're welcome, sweetie. It's so soft.
It's so cozy!
Perfect for family time.
From production to market and finally to home, every tiger fur product is delivered with care, bringing joy and satisfaction to every family. Post-workout recovery begins with a nutritious shake made from specially prepared tiger protein, fueling the body for strength and vitality.
Home, tiger-inspired products bring joy, comfort, and energy to every family, completing the journey from creation to happiness.